Welcome to another video from Upcoming Engineer. Are you a mechanical engineering student looking to enhance your career opportunities? Look no further. We've compiled a list of the 7 software programs you need to master. First on the list is AutoCAD, the industry standard software for 2D and 3D design. Next up is SolidWorks, a powerful tool for mechanical design and simulation. MATLAB is essential for analyzing and solving complex engineering problems. ANSYS is a widely used software for structural analysis and simulation. CATIA is a comprehensive software for designing and manufacturing complex products. Microsoft Project is crucial for managing and organizing engineering projects effectively. Last but not least, Python is a versatile programming language widely used in the industry. By mastering these 7 software programs, you'll significantly increase your job prospects as a mechanical engineering student.